Run from any guy who talks about how he doesn't want a high maintenance woman. I used to be the cool girl, go with the flow, I'm not like other girls. And I might not get my hair and makeup done or anything like that, but I require your respect. I require for you to treat me like the priority that I am, and I'm going to do the same for you in return. I take care of myself and my mental health, and I need you to understand that and make a safe space for me to do those things. I matter. I need you to actually go above and beyond for me, and I am also going to do the same for you. Please do not continue to see a man who brags about how he doesn't want anybody that's high maintenance. What he's really saying is, I want someone whose bar for me is so low that the devil is playing limbo, holding a pina colada at a party with it. No, I'm high maintenance, sir. Move along.